Okay, so it's Saturday, Labor Day weekend, and I am heading into Michael's because I saw a video. I've been really interested in drop spinning, trying my hand at it, and I saw a video about DIYing your own drop spindle. And so I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna get the supplies today to try to make my own drop spindle. Probably not the best way to learn how to drop spindle is to start off with a DIY drop spindle, but why not? Why not indeed? And of course, I do have my mask on. I'm still masking, of course. I would not go into Michael's without my mask on. I am a Michael's affiliate. All affiliate links are in my description box, and I may earn on qualifying purchases. All opinions expressed are my own. Some things I like, some things I do not like. You will hear it all. For more information on my affiliate links, please visit my FAQ at knitswhereitsat.com. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like my video. We're in Michael's and the Halloween decorations are out in full effect. I'm looking for the kids aisle. This Michael's is new to me, and oh, there's the yarn section. I have to check that out. So here we have Craft Smart Value Yarn. This is a Michael's brand of yarn, and you know, because if you look, it'll say, where is it? Distributed by MSPCI. That's the Michael's brand. And over here is Loops and Thread, and if you look at the label, it also says distributed by MSPCI. So this is also a Michael's brand. So that's how you always know if something is a Michael's brand. This is a smaller Michael's than the one I used to go to in near my old place. And the selection is definitely less in terms of the yarn. The larger Michael's, the larger Joann's, you can find 100% wool and natural fibers as well as acrylic wool blends. But this one, it's all acrylic. So it's really the size of the store. The larger Michael's, the larger Joann's, they're gonna have natural fibers. Not a ton, but they will be there. So I was just going through and I picked up this Paula yarn. This is Loops and Thread. It's impeccable, and oh, it feels terrible. It's not scratchy. It just feels like cheap, yucky acrylic. And it's interesting because I'm feeling this, it's a different color, it feels the same. Let's see, let's try lighter color. This feels better. Sometimes the lighter colors will feel better than darker ones. But this is the Craft Smart. It feels better than this Impeccable. Oh, here's Impeccable. Oh, that's terrible. Oh. Honestly, being in here right now, I'm really disappointed. There are like no sales going on. None. It's Labor Day weekend and there's like 0 sales on yarn. I mean, they do have a 20% off coupon, but still, it's a little disappointing. Very disappointed. Notions. Let's see what's going on with notions. Okay, so these right here, I've never tried these. These are supposed to be the quick locking stitch marker. And I don't know. They're $2 more than the regular locking stitch markers. I'm not sure an extra $2 is worth trying these out. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe if they were on sale, I would try them. But yeah, even with the 20% off coupon, I'm kind of like, do I want to wait in line to check out with these? Should I try them? $9.99 for what they call Stitcher's GPS. All this is highlighter tape, basically. You do not need this. Do not buy this. You can get highlighter tape. You can get the Post-it little arrows that you can use and do this same thing right here. And you'll get a lot more of it. It's a better value. This is a gimmick. This is just trying to sell us on things we do not need. This here, another gimmick. It's another gimmick. You can do the same thing with tassel maker with cardboard or shoebox. You don't need to buy this to make tassels. It is something that just annoys me how often they try to sell us on tools and gimmicks that are overpriced for what they are. I mean, that tassel maker is just a plastic frame that you wrap the yarn around, tie the bundle together, and then cut off. And you can do the exact same thing with cardboard. You can do the exact same thing, cut up a shoebox, and you can make customized size out of it for like nothing. You can do the same thing probably with a paper towel roll, and I now have an idea on something that I might try for my next crafts and hacks. But yeah, you don't need to be spending $7 on something like that. It's just, if it makes you happy, fine, but you don't need to do it. No. So, you know, I love my plastic 6-inch ruler, and they do have a selection of quilters rulers here, but no 6-inch one. If you can't find a 6-inch plastic ruler, you can get this. This is a sewist, a seamstress, a tailor ruler, and it has these notches here that mark off the 1-inch spot, so the tailor can make markings for hems and things. And this can work very well in your notions bag, but it is made out of flimsy aluminum, so it could get bent rather easily. So that's why I prefer the plastic rulers. Over here we have the retractable tape measure. I don't like these. I don't care what anyone says. I think these are heavy and awkward. I don't use them. I much prefer this. And also, look, the tape, $3.29 compared to $1.99. You're gonna spend less money on the cloth tape measure, and you have to replace these once a year anyway. So yeah, oops. Tape measure down, tape measure down. But yeah, you gotta replace tape measures once a year anyway. So I say get this, not that. Blocking pens. Okay, first of all, look, they have the bulb pens. $4.99 for 50 pieces. You can get more on Amazon, it's easier. These tidy pins. I had pins like this. These look sturdier than the ones I got. But you can totally use these for blocking if you like. They work okay. They work okay. You want to make sure though that if you get any kind of pin for blocking, these are brass. You want to make sure that they're not going to rust. Nickel is better. But these, I really like flower head pins for blocking as opposed to the T-pins. They're thinner, and I think they actually do a better job. The only thing is sometimes it's hard finding rust-proof ones because they're not designed for blocking. Don't know if these are rust-proof. Doesn't say what it's made out of. But if you can find rust-proof flower head pins, I think these are better than T-pins for blocking. Glass head pins are nice if they're glass. Avoid them if you're plastic because you can't use them under steam if they're plastic, but glass is good.
You also have to avoid heat with flower head pins.
Here, of course, you have the classic T-pin. I got a ton of these. There's nothing wrong with these for blocking. It's just that they're thicker, and so they're more likely to leave a mark in the work after you've blocked. So I need to do a whole video on blocking. This just looks like it'd be heavy around the neck. Am I wrong? Has anyone tried this? I just feel like that would strain my neck. Okay, I gotta find the kids section. That's actually lying here. What I am looking for is air dried clay. So let's see what they got here. Yes, they got pretty colors. I'm so excited. Pretty colors for my DIY drop spindle. Oh yeah, I gotta snap a photo. Oh, I could get magic metal. That could be a good deal. I might just get 2 colors though. It's buy one, get one 50% off. Justina's gonna get a gift. So I chose pink and green because those are my two favorite colors. I almost went with the bisque, but nah, we're gonna have fun with this. And Justina will like pink. I'm gonna give half of this to Justina and use half of this for the drop spindle. Okay, so now I got the clay. I need to find dowels. That's what the next mission is, to find dowels. Oh, which dowel to get, which dowel to get. Let's see, these are the 5/16ths. What is this? I think this is 1/4 inch. Hello, packaging. What's your size? Yep. Where's the size? Nice. Dowels. Okay, great. You're a dowel. So glad. What's your dowel size? I literally... Am I blind? Oh, it only says on the tag? Okay. 5/16. This is the 1/4 inch dowel. Okay. So this is the 1/4 inch dowel. It doesn't tell you on the tag. You have to look at this. It's so annoying. It's really annoying. I hate that. Packaging should say the size. I shouldn't have to look at a tag because people put things in the wrong place. Amy, do you think this would work for a supported spindle? I'm not there yet. I don't even know how to spin yet. Okay, I just took my mask off. I meant to record it happening, but I hit the wrong button. It is bleeping hot, and I can't, well, no, put that in my purse. I can't talk too long with the air conditioner off in my car, and I don't want the air conditioner running, so I'm gonna just say, deals were had. I spent around $10 on everything, and somebody's sending me a friend request. I don't know who they are. Anyway, but yeah, I spent about $10, a little bit more on everything. So I have what I need to make my drop spindle. It's bleeping hot. So I'm gonna go home. But oh my gosh, I gotta say, I was not being a good Michaels affiliate because I was kind of ripping apart the yarn department. But the truth is, I just don't believe in overspending on stuff that you don't need to spend on. Sometimes, and don't get me wrong, I love gadgets. I love gadgets, actually. And I think now I'm very weary of them because I know how often I've gotten suckered in by, the little plastic thing. And then I realize, you know what? I didn't need this to do the thing that I wanted to do. And so I've been burned enough times now where I'm like, I think I don't need to spend my money on that so I can get myself another set of interchangeable needles. Because, I need more interchangeable needles in my life. Anyway, so next, we will be making the drop spindle.